I'm not even joking. This smells so good. It's what every the heat wave had. So I've been waiting here for my boss, but I think the heat wave is dealing with us because I don't get it. I've been standing here for over 30 minutes and my boss is not here yet. I am late. I had to just order for an Uber. Hey guys, good morning. You guys, I stood at that bus stop for over 30 minutes. I was waiting, or we were waiting and waiting. The buses were not coming. Even the ones that passed were not the ones we wanted to enter, or I wanted to enter. I think the heat wave did a thing there because it's just been really crazy. Even on Google Maps, you see like a warning, oh, it's very hot, like how to stay protected during the heat and all of that. So I'm suspecting that the heat wave had something to do with the buses not coming on time, because I can't explain it. I know that buses come late, but this one, it was just terrible. It was really bad. Yeah, so I finally got an Uber, and thankfully the Uber had like his AC on. Other times, most times when I use not most times, the 1 2 3 4 times I've used Uber to work, the AC was not on, because obviously it was not as hot as. But I used Uber to work on Monday, and that guy did not put on his AC. But anyways, yesterday I enjoyed my ride to work because the car was really cool. Like, I enjoyed my ride. But anyways, I got back home this morning and I am excited for what I'm about to do. I don't even know how I've been able to like hold myself from doing this. So I ordered for something on Sunday and it came in on Monday. Most of them came in on Monday and the last item came in yesterday. So we're just going to do a little bit of unboxing. Yeah, I'm excited. I hope these things are good things. I hope they are quality things because I can't even shout. Yeah, so let us unbox. Okay, guys, so I have my scissors here and we're going to start with this one. So yeah, my friend who is also a YouTuber, her name is Tammy A on YouTube. She does a lot of perfume reviews and all of that. she reviewed this perfume and she was just raving about it, and I was like, since I was this perfume oil rather, I was like, since I was ordering stuff from Amazon, it's actually from Amazon, I might as well order for this. And it's a dupe for the Baccarat Rue 5540. So let's see. Jeez, this is nice. This smells so good. It's like exactly like it. It came in it smells exactly like the Baccarat Rouge perfume. How many ml? Okay, yeah, 6 ml. Yeah, so I got two of them for £4. Let me be sure. I had to like put the prices down here since I'm using what I'm using to film is what I used to order the phone. So I got the perfume oil for £4.38. £4.38 each. The smell is out of this world, and you guys, I'm trying to build my perfume collection because I love perfumes, and I also use perfume oils, but I also use like normal regular perfumes, so we're going to be mixing it. So yeah, that's it for this one. Okay, yay, I know what's in here. Oh Jesus, almost got this thing now. So this is how this one came. Extrend. So you guys, I make wigs. I treat ribbons. I do I make closures from start to finish. I ventilate. So since I got here, I haven't like really done that because I didn't come with my equipment. I only came with my ventilating pin and some other wig making equipment, but I didn't come with like a canvas head and all that. Something just fell off. Yes, so I ordered for this via Amazon. So I ordered for this canvas head. It came with a holder. That's the holder here. It came with oh my god, are these people serious? It came with T-pins. Very important. That's one of the reasons I even ordered this package. It came with T-pins. What else did it come with? So this is actually nice. It came with hair clips. Two of that. Elastic band. What is this? How many will I use to make this? Will I use this elastic band for? It came with thread. Where's my? It came with a thread and it came with a wig cap. Really nice. This is nice. So like exactly what I saw, that's what I got, and I got it for, how much did I get the canvas head for? £19.98. Then we move to this one. Yay, I got a new tripod stand, you guys, because my other tripod, it is dead. This is the tripod I used to use. So it's not sturdy at all. I did not actually get this myself. This was a gift. This is like the length. As you can see, this thing just fell off right now. Like the tripod is literally crying for help. This is what I used to use before. I just used to manage it, but I was like, you know what, it's time for me to like get a good tripod. So I've been searching. I've actually been looking out for like reviews, even some YouTubers that I follow. You know how in the description box they put like equipment that they use when I checked, most of them, they were all sold out. So I was just checking and checking and checking. So I decided to go on YouTube and just search for just tripod reviews only, and I saw this one and I decided to just get it. I just hope it's what I saw online. So this is the phone holder. That's the phone holder. When you open the box, that's what you see first. And this is how it came. Oh, nice. You can even, like, it has a carrier bag that you can, in case you're traveling, just put it and off you go. I love this. I love this. I love this. Zomi is the name of the brand. I hope this is good. It feels heavy already. It feels heavy. I like the feel. So you open it and bring it out. Oh, it looks good. Wow, I'm happy with this buy already. You guys, I'm happy with it. That's it. That's right. This is what we're talking about. Hello. Hello. Anyways, I got this for £29 30 pence. So basically £30, right? So oh my god, it's worth every penny. Wow. Wow, you guys, can you guys see this? It's worth every penny. And I'm going to leave the link, by the way, because I'm going to leave the link of everything I got. This is sturdy. Like, it is heavy. What is this? This is an insult. This is an insult. Just see this too. Can you guys see this too? I'm just super excited. I bought this, but I don't have a camera, so you can use this for a camera and the phone. So you can do this, do that. Can you guys see that? Like, I feel like this tripod just needs its own review, to be honest. But yeah, I think this video will just be it. Yeah. So bring that out. You extend it further and you extend it further. This is how long this thing is. I'm going to show you guys when I'm done. Am I excited or am I excited? This is what I've been looking for. Whoa. What it's looking like, you guys. So that's this one is for the camera. I'm going to change it soon to the phone holder since I use a phone, but that's the length. This thing is sturdy, is heavy, the quality is mad, like it's out of this world. I'm so happy I got it. It's such a good buy, such a good buy, such a good buy. Like, this is so good. I don't know what this is for. Somebody help me, please. What's this place for? I'll figure it out at the end of the day, but that's what it's looking like. Yeah. So I'm just going to change the camera holder to the phone holder. Guys, so I have fixed the tripod. I mean, I won't get to like know all the functionalities now, like immediately. With time, as I get to use it, I'll get to know the features. But this tripod, hey, it's not sponsored though, but if you're looking to get a tripod, this is the tripod for you. I'm not even joking. This is the tripod for you. I don't hype nonsense. I'm so happy I got it. I'm so happy I took my time. I did my research because I didn't just want to go and buy one flimsy thing that I'll just regret. No. And yeah, this is my new tripod, you guys. Hello. I'm using it. That's what I'm using to talk to you guys now. Anyways, I'm going to end the vlog here because I feel like the whole unboxing took like the bulk part of the vlog. Yeah. and I'll see you guys in my next one. I'm going to leave the link to everything I got in the description box, so if it's something you like to get, you can get it. Okay, yeah, bye. Yeah, talk to you guys later.